let's make some dinner. Dex is having a little appetizer. He's having some carrots. Carl's feeding Kennedy over there. Okay, so we have to go to the garage, and I think I have a little shadow. I do. Because, as y'all know, Carl got me another fridge for the garage, and I've been loving it, just like for storage purposes. It just, like, the fridge now in the house is like not as congested, so it's just easier to see like what you have, you know what I mean? So tonight for dinner, this is going to be our side dish. If you haven't tried these, they are so good. Ooh, I also think I'm gonna take a box of these out for dessert. Is someone trying to get my attention? We gotta get the giggles out. Okay, my fries are essentially done. We were getting the baby ready for bed. So now we're gonna just whip up some chicken burgers. Okay, we were just getting the baby ready for bed. The fries are just about done. And now we're gonna make some chicken burgers. No, I don't have any burger buns, but that's okay. Got my little burgers formed. Now it's time to season them up, starting with some Lorry's. Mom, you already know I'm using garlic powder. And a little bit of black pepper. Now you guys know I need to make some sort of sauce for my fries. So I pretty much use I always use the same ingredients. I just sometimes will switch it out. So always start with mayo because mayo is the best. And then today, oh, this is sweet relish. I thought I got the dill. I guess we're going with sweet. Adding in some of that. And now adding in some ketchup. I need some spices. You already know. We're going in with some garlic powder. Want to know something funny? Me and my best friend, when we were younger, we used to make microwave butter popcorn, and then we would actually put garlic powder on top of it, and it would illuminate, and it would just smell like garlic powder all over the kitchen. Her mom and my mom used to get so mad because it used to smell so strongly, but we love it. Honestly, now that I'm talking about that, I haven't done that in a minute. I need to go get some microwave popcorn. I just flipped my burgers. I tasted my sauce. I need some Worcestershire. I say Worcestershire sauce, but I think it's actually Worcestershire sauce. Okay, now we need some cheese. I gotta sneeze. Wow, that kind of rhymed. Didn't that rhyme? I need some cheese. I have to sneeze. Did that rhyme? Carl, did you hear that? All right, going in. I'm actually gonna turn my heat off and just let the residual heat melt the cheese. Burgers and fries, that's all. Gonna eat this, and then hopefully the cream puffs are defrosted by then. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.